Hello, it's Hannah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the moss stitch. And the yarn that I'm using is called Sugar Bush Chill. And I am using a 10mm hook. So for this stitch, you need to make your base chain with an even number. So for this practice swatch, I am going to chain 10. Now we're going to start by inserting our hook into the 4th chain from the hook, and we're going to work a single crochet and then chain 1. And now we're going to skip the next chain and then into the next chain work another single crochet and chain 1. And you're going to continue that pattern across the row. So skip 1 and then work a single crochet and chain 1. And then when you get to the last stitch of the row, you're going to just work a single crochet and then you're going to chain 2 and turn. Now in the second row, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to work a single crochet chain 1, but we're going to be inserting our hook into the chain 1 spaces of the row below. So it can be a little hard to see when you're starting out, but go look right past that single crochet and insert your hook into the chain 1 space. And again, you're going to do single crochet, chain 1 into each of those spaces. And then at the very end, you're going to work into the space that's in between the last stitch and the turning chain and end with your single crochet. And then chain 2 and turn. All right, now we can just continue repeating row 2. So you're just going to look for those chain 1 spaces and work a single crochet, chain 1 into each of those spaces. and then always just working one single crochet into the very last space and chaining 2 and turning at the end of each row. All right, thank you so much for coming to watch this video. I hope that you enjoy making this stitch.